Hey everyone, Gary Gaines here. Welcome back inside another video. Today we are playing the Jets rebuild again. As well, what do we want to do with this team? What are we going to do with this team? Answer: I have no clue. John Franklin Myers, I want to let go of. Probably want to keep him for a while. I need some better. Before I work on my offense, I'm going to have to work on my defense. So, more important defensive player to come first. Joe McCoy, I don't want you. You're too old. Marcus May, our best player. I don't want you on a 4-year deal because you'll definitely regress. Well, that's great. No Marcus May. All right, for 1 year, that's going to be tough. Do I got Marcus May or Brian Poole? Sean Perriman. Definitely want to keep him around because of, look at that speed. And comes back. Yeah, you're going to regress. When Jenkins is going to regress soon, I might as well just keep him just because of the star dev. Chris Hogan, you can go ahead and go. I might as well just keep you. I really do want a nice decision between Marcus May and Brian Poole, but it is a really tough decision on one of those two. So, I can only keep one of them. I always sign kickers to 7-year deals. Where do I even begin with this team? First off, Franklin Luby, he can develop to be one heck of a good player. You're coming back. He might actually be able to play. I've actually seen this guy get up to an 84 before in like 4 years of Madden. He can get up pretty high. Mainly because I was playing on the Jets and got into like Superstar Dev. Because I'm unstoppable in this game. But I don't want my videos to track on forever. Alright. I might as well just start fresh and get rid of everyone old. I made the decision, and my decision is Marcus May returning. The only franchise tag with one person, that's just amazing. So, advancing to the next week, 73 across the board. That's not good. Especially because I did lose my corners. Desmond King. If you don't know, as of right now, he is on the Tennessee Titans. He hasn't really made the biggest impact for a secondary, but definitely big enough to be considered an impact. So boom, I definitely want to have Desmond King come to this defense. Todd Gurley I want to have come to this offense, so I don't have to have all that hassle drafting a running back, considering I'm already drafting a quarterback with my number 1 overall. Gronkowski, don't want to draft the tight ends. Definitely will need another corner. I don't think I can get Marcus Williams. I might as well just get AB. Just to get him, because I need receivers. See if I can get an O-line here. It's an improvement, not by much. No, I I will definitely take a Marcus Gilbert. Hopefully. Definitely want to say goodbye to John Franklin Myers. Let's see if I can find the kid who's going to replace him. And I have found my player who's going to be replacing John Franklin Myers. I will say a farewell. Also, I need a left outside linebacker. I do have 2 young 24-year-olds. I think I'll have them as my future. And then I'll definitely have Patrick Peterson being one of the best cornerbacks of all time. Definitely a good player to get. So let's see who gets on the Jets, as I went 2-14, which might not be the worst. Gronk, Gurley, Gilbert, and King, except. Boost me. Is that everyone, though? I don't think. AB. Aw, dang it. Do I really need AB, though? Yes. I will withdraw my offer to Hendrickson. And hopefully have them 2 stay. Come on. AB assigned. Seattle trying to get their defense back in shape. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to get them. Hopefully this works. Oh yeah, Patrick Peterson. He's coming over here. Probably lower this a bit, actually. Okay, so I have a bit of money left to have. As will I welcome Patrick Peterson? Yes, I will. So bringing strength back to this team. AB is going to be a nice addition. So is Gronk and Gurley. Marcus Gilbert is going to be good for the next season, as I'm definitely using the run of our draft pick to draft a